Hey bosses, it's Nina, and I want to invite you to Atlanta. Yep, come on down to Atlanta and meet me. I'm holding a video creators camp.
Remember, we did a list of topics, we did a list of keywords, call to action number 2, and I'm just recording it over and over again. In full script, just come up with the keywords, the topics, and the intro, and record the intro. When you look good and when you feel good, it's a good day, it's sunlight out, and you just
I wasn't expecting anything, to be quite honest, here today. I was amazed at the amount of value.
Because I feel more comfortable, my eyes aren't focused on the camera. So find your camera and look at your...
If you enjoyed this video, you can go on over to the Happily Obsessed podcast and get more of this good stuff. The information is below.
Perfect.
90-Day Fiance reality TV show, The Truth. And here's my take, baby. You ready? Well, here you go. Because y'all know
This is your studio. This is your back end. You could literally edit your videos in here, but it's just not. If you're on there, let's lead them to something else. Do you have a question, Miss Linda? No. Okay, good. Everybody get this? So good thing Miriam did, see? Try turning the camera around like she did. And once you find your good light, turn it around and practice taking pictures while you're not looking at yourself. This is
this for at least 5 to 6 years, honestly. I'm not even complimenting her, I'm just telling everybody the value that I received as a small business nonprofit owner.
I want you to subscribe, like,